what our van's looking like. We have, I believe, 14 totes and 21 overflow. Not too bad. Yes, one thing keep note is, I guess, don't trade pre-market. 1 point away from being stopped out. Kind of insane. And look how price is just moving, bro. That pretty much sums up the entire week. Here is what we have. 11:38, and this is what our van's looking like. We have, I believe, 14 totes and 21 overflow. Not too bad. Let's get to it. 325, and this is what my van's looking like. Not too bad, bro. Let's see how many stops we have left. Yeah, I have 83 stops. Easy money. It's currently 7:13. Oh, 15 actually. And we finished. Yes, sir. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning and welcome to the first trading day of the week. Let's get to the daily time frame here. So, from what I'm seeing, M&Q still failed to take these highs here. Insane. I thought by now we would have had been taking these, but I guess not. So there's that. Pretty much an SMT. The bearish high. And then when you look in the 4-hour here, pretty much we have been completely disrespecting this bullish imbalance. So my target would be these lows here. Probably up to this gap. So it's a good chance for price to actually reject this if we happen to get down there. But here in M&Q doesn't look like we even have any of that. So yeah. So bearish for the day. But as of what I'm seeing, my model hasn't presented itself, so yeah. Pretty much we just chill. May get tapped here. Alright, just got food. Goo. Just pretty much taking this low. It's only 922. Seeing what's gonna happen here. I mean, our real drawing liquidity is this over here. So yeah, just taking what's pretty recent. Well, we just lost on my model. Don't know fucking how. We just lost. I guess one thing keep note is, I guess, don't trade pre-market. I don't know. But yeah, we just lost again. Bruh. Another loss. 180. What the fuck? 928. Literally right after I get stopped out, this shit happens. A fucking fat candle comes downwards, hitting right close to Monte B. Like, come on, bro. I guess one thing to keep now, just don't trade pre-market at all. Yeah. Other than that, shit should be good, but pre-market, no. That is crazy. Good morning and welcome to another trading day. Starting us off here in the daily time frame. From what I'm noticing here, not really much in the daily. Can't really tell what's really going on, I'd say. I mean, yesterday it looked like we took these lows here. Cool. Then when you really look down in the 4 hour, you can really tell what's going on. So 4 hour came down, took these lows, went into this bullish gap here, respected it, and then it went up ever since. And 1 hour, you can see that's just been building bullish structure. Very nice. Definitely looking for longs today. Possibly up to these highs here. We're in a trade. It's only 10:14, so literally after market open. And yeah, we had created SMT down here. We previously had inversed this bearish imbalance, but then price had gone down and all that good stuff. Here we actually displaced through this red candle here, so pretty much creating a change of state, which honestly looked very nice. And yeah, with that, I just set my stop loss right at the body. Let's see if we get. Oh, we might just get stopped out, I guess. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, we're up in profit for that while there after taking this. Is that? I mean, it's not even high, but after taking this wick here. Interesting. Yeah. 1 point away from being stopped out. Kind of insane. Look how price is just moving, bro. Yeah. Getting amazing displacement now. Oh. There you go. Just keep doing this thing. If we end up taking one of these highs, maybe set stops at break even. I don't know yet. Still contemplating. Maybe, yeah, right up here. So yeah, that's good right there. Okay, boom. Break even. $10. So we took that high out. That 5 minute. Now we see if, yeah. But we're getting really good momentum now. Right up to that high. It's our TP pretty much. Full TP right there. Oh shit. Okay. We just got stopped at break even. I was kind of distracted there, so I didn't really see what was going on, but well, I'm just, I don't know, we'll see what happens. 10:35, and this is literally what had happened, where if you had entered right here at this change of state after this displacement and the SMT, you would have been aight. But you would have got hit at break even, possibly if you did put yourself at break even, and then full TP would have been hit right there. But since I entered here, yeah. So there's that. I mean, at least bias was right and everything was right in a sense, but just the outcome or the way price was moving was just not it. Which is fine in a sense. So that leaves me pretty much for tomorrow. Just see what happens. Either we get a trade or no trade. That, I'll see you guys at work. $25, and this is what my van's looking like. Not too bad, not too bad. 14 totes, 21 OV. Yes, sir. Let's get to it. I'm on my lunch, 22. 2. We got 66 stop left. Sheesh. And we started with 189. Fuck, man. Crazy, bro. We got, what, 6 toasts left? And a little bit over. I'll see you guys when I'm finished. 7:09 and boom. What my van's looking like. Love it, bro. We do have one package return, unfortunately, but it's not on me. Apparently wouldn't let me pick up the package, so yeah. How am I supposed to deliver it if I can't pick it up? Anyways, yeah. With that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a good night. Good morning and welcome to the last trading day of the week. Here in the daily time frame, this is what we are looking like. Yep. Not much to see there. Look here in the 4 hour. Yes, price just been building bullish price action, I'd say. Do have this S&T within the lows here. Then we've also created a bearish S&T here. So M&Q's quite bullish, but then here in MES it's kind of hard to choose whether we are, in a sense, because we've just been coming downwards. Completely took that high in M&Q. And here we are respecting this gap here. As you can clearly see from this wick. Well, the market moved. We did have like a bearish S&T here. I was looking for sells in a sense. So the S&T is here, the lagging index. Here in the 1 minute. This was actually perfect here. I believe right here we inversed this bullish gap. Boom. Went below this green candle. Tapped into this gap here, then rejected. With that, I did not enter because I waited for price to tap me in here, but then when it came down to this gap, I took it out. And good thing I did, because I did set my stop loss right at this body here, and it would have stopped me out if I did enter. And yeah, look at that, completely fucking dumped. That pretty much sums up the entire week. Here is what we have. 176. Cool. So yeah, another loss. Insane. But yeah, it's just kind of how it goes. I'll see you guys next week.